Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Magento. So today we are going to learn how to check the Magento version of any of the Magento 2 website. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So I will open any of my Magento 2 website. So here you can see that I can open my Magento 2 this website. Okay, and here to check the version I need to add just one keyword, magento underscore version. Okay, if I go and enter, you will get to know that magento 2.4 version I have installed on it, right? So this is how you are able to get any of the magento by its url. Just typing magento underscore version, it will give you that which version it's working on, right? So this is how you are able to. Let's take an example of my other website. Okay, so much it's Magento test, then Magento 2.4.4. Let's have a look. It's not working. Let me check another one. Magento new, and this is Magento new pub. And if I check Magento underscore version, 2.4. Okay, if you want the exact version of that one, so this the case is different one, but currently you will get to know that this is 2.4 or 2.3 or 2.2. So this is how you can get the version of that one. In the coming video I will go to let you know about that, how you can get the current version with the help of the command line, with the help of the JSON, all of the methods on that one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.